is Dr. Zainab Kwaru Muhammad Idris, the National President-elect of Medical Women's Association of Nigeria, M1. I accelerate women and girls' health and overall nutritional well-being by driving access, equity, and empowerment, because a healthier woman and a healthier girl fuels and makes for a stronger world.
I accelerate action for vaccination and disease prevention, empowering women and children to live healthier lives.
I accelerate action for a world where women and girls have equal opportunity, rights, and representation.
Accelerate action towards better oral health for women, empowering them with confidence, smile, and a stronger well-being. Because when women thrive, communities shine.
Accelerate action against gender-based violence, because when women are abused, they suffer both medically and psychologically.
I accelerate action to unlock potentials for girls and women. I accelerate action for opportunities.
And I accelerate action for women's right to health information, and I ensure that women have equitable access to quality healthcare.
I accelerate action to break down barriers to HPV vaccination in girls and cervical cancer screening for women in underserved communities.
I accelerate action to reduce the burden of cervical cancer amongst women and girls in Nigeria.
Accelerate action for empowering women's oral health, and health is my for all.
Accelerate action for menstrual hygiene. Menstruation is a natural phenomenon. It's important that we teach the girl child what to do when she's seeing her menses, and to let them know that it's normal, it's natural, nothing to be ashamed of. We need to be proud of it.
I accelerate action in creating a gender equal world through education, where women can sign consent for themselves for surgery and anesthesia, thereby reducing maternal morbidity and mortality.
I accelerate action for women's ocular health by ensuring that women have access to quality eye care and vision rehab.
I accelerate self-care because it is a fundamental right and the foundation of gender equality.
I accelerate action by advocating for equal opportunities for the boys and girls to enable us have better representation of the female folks later.
Accelerate action for women's health-seeking behavior, where women are empowered to seek for cancer diagnosis without prejudice.
Accelerate action in women inclusivity in the area of safety and security in the air transport system.
I accelerate action to support equal rights for women and girls by providing sound and empowering mentorship to young women and girls.
I accelerate action to end violence against women and girls.
I accelerate action by empowering women with knowledge through medicine, poetry, and the power of voice.
And accelerate action against female genital mutilation. If females are mutilated, it may predispose them to infection and also affect their reproductive health.
I accelerate action for gender equality because women are the life wire of the society. They nurture and uphold the society.
I accelerate women's health by zero tolerance to gender-based violence. I work with others to prevent any form of sexual harassment.
I accelerate action by advocating for accessible quality health care for every mother and child. No mother should die giving birth, and every child deserves a healthy start in life.
I accelerate action as a chief medical director by creating equal opportunities for male and female staff.
I stand to accelerate for a more inclusive and equitable world.
I accelerate action towards promoting women's health.
I accelerate action for girl child education, because an educated girl translates into a healthy and prosperous nation.
I accelerate action for the health and well-being of women and girls.
I accelerate action by empowering women and girls to know that they matter, their voices matter, and their voices should be heard when they have something to say.
I accelerate action, break barriers, push boundaries, and drive change. Together, I create a future of equality and empowerment for women.
I accelerate action by providing women and girls with access to good quality education and training, ensuring female empowerment.
I
do accelerate action to empowerment of women through access to education, financial empowerment, as well as access to healthcare.
I accelerate action by encouraging women to take care of their own health.
My name is Rosemary Ogu, Professor of Obstetrics and Gynecology and the National President of the Medical Women's Association of Nigeria. I accelerate action on women's health because women are the rearers, carers, and bearers of society. Happy International Women's Day.